Hello traders, it's Rick here. Wanted to take a minute and share with you the trade I am in here on the euro dollar, and what's on my radar going into this coming week, and how to get one step ahead of the market. Also going to kind of explain the stop and reverse trade, so you can take advantage of the markets, whether they're going bullish or bearish. So um, this is a euro dollar 60-minute chart. I am currently short at 93.07, and I'll show you proof here in a second. So I'm going to draw a line in here. Oh, that's crooked. That's okay. Let's see, 93.07, 93.07. Now that looks better. Okay. And my stop is at 96.2, somewhere in here. Now this is the trade that I was in last week before the market closed, and I had to carry it over. So, and then my targets are down here. I don't remember exactly, but somewhere down in here at this level. But I mean, a nice little trade opportunity. Now, there's no reason to the entry reason I had doesn't matter, but I wanted to kind of show you the trade that I'm currently in, and how I'm going to place a stop and reverse trade to go the other way, because I'm currently short this market. I'm looking for price to come down here. Okay. Now, if you don't follow me already, please go to collective2.com and follow me over there. Rick Rosella strategy is the CTS System 1. There's a 7-day free trial. There's coupons out on Twitter where you can save 50% off the first 3 months. It's cheap. Um, what did I see? I think it's like 30 $30 a month or something. I am currently in a drawdown. So far, um, I've taken 21 trades. I've only had 7 winners for a profit percentage of 33%. Um, my maximum drawdown so far is 4.3%, and it kind of shows you the graph of where I'm at. Um, Now, I didn't take really any trades in here, I don't think. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't think I was in any trades in this. That's why it's flat. And then of course, I started trading again, come down, 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 down. And then I didn't trade in here. Um, I've had some family issues, but uh, it should be all right. But here's the current trades that I'm in now. I am short the Aussie dollar, short the euro yen, and short euro dollar. Okay, I got short at 93.07. Price is currently at 89.77. I'm currently up $66. Okay, and then my trading records below that um, shows you every trade that I've taken and whether it was a win or a loss. Okay, and you can see when I started out, April 17th, big hit, 142, and then 2 small losers on the New Zealand dollar. Still trying to get familiar with the trade entries here, and I had to close these out manually and then reverse, because these were long and they should have been short here. And then of course it was a loser anyways for 33, and so forth. So if you're not following me already, please come over here and check it out. Appreciate the support. Either way, didn't want to get into all that, but I am short the euro dollar. Okay, now I want to find or look for my next trading opportunity. Okay, so um, once you have a toolbox of different entry techniques, um, and you understand the language of the markets as far as how price moves and structure plays, what you'll notice here, um, I'm going to go and start back here at this double top here. Okay, so we got a double top here. Okay, we come down, found support, and that's why these green boxes here. Okay, we rallied up, found resistance, come back down and test this level. Okay, we found support again, right? And put in a double bottom again. Okay, test it again. We rallied up a little bit, tested it again, right? And then we shot up, testing this level of structure here. And price did rally up to test this higher level of structure up here. Okay, and then something happened. It may have been a 15-minute trade entry or something. I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. But I'm looking for price to rally back down. But you know, once my target gets hit, what's next? Okay. But what I'm looking at is we got these tests down here, right? So I'm gonna look at this bigger double bottom here. Let me delete all these real quick so you can see what I'm looking at now. Okay, what I'm looking at now is this double bottom here. Okay, and price rallied out. Okay, I got short. I'm looking to come back down in here. Okay, excuse me. Now we do have a potential for 2618 trade in here. It looks like. Yeah, it looks like it may have already completed. Yeah, okay. So there is a valid 2618 trade here that has yet to hit targets, so it's still on the radar. I guess I should back up a little bit. You know, as I'm looking for price to come down here and hit my target, um, because there's structure looking left, you know, my next thought process is there a reason for me to get long? Okay. Do I have a valid entry reason to get long and go the other way? I guess I should have thrown that in there. Okay. Now, price has already hit the 618, so this is a valid 2618 trade. However, because I'm already short, I won't enter right here. I have to get hit, my target has to get hit first. So if price does come down here, and let me change this to green, and test and takes me out on my target level, then I'll immediately enter long with my stop going below the lows over here. Okay, and my target being somewhere up here. Okay, and that's how you would play a stop and reverse. Okay, now I'm currently short, was it 2 contracts? 2, okay. So what I would do is I am currently short 2 contracts. So what I would do Monday is, or maybe Sunday night, was go in and change my target. Instead of 2, I'd make it 4. So I get out of my short trade, but it automatically enters me in my long trade at the same time. Okay, and that's how I'm going to play that. Now, okay, if price rallies down, okay, takes me out on my target, gets me filled going the other way, okay, I'm looking for price to come back up here and take me out here, right? So if I get long and price does rally up here, what's my next trade? Okay, well, we've got structure. Okay, we've got structure, so I could literally look to stop and reverse again. Okay, and then mine stop going above these highs back here. Okay, now where it's going to be exactly, I don't know, but it's just got to be above these highs. I mean, that's the key. Okay, and then I would look for price to continue to trade in a range. Okay, now, and then I would just, you know, rinse and repeat. Now, with that being said, okay, I am aware of the fact that on the higher time frames, we have put in a higher close. Okay, let me zoom out here. Wait, you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so What I'm cautious of when trading in this range up here is if I go from swing low down here to swing high up here, okay, we get a retracement, okay, price rallies up, put in another higher close, okay, this right here puts me on bullish alert, right? Okay, we get a retracement and we get another rally, higher close. I'm expecting price to continue to rally up, okay. However, if I zoom in, so I mean, I want to be cautious of that. Okay. Now there's a big gap here, whatever, but you know, as of, let's see, most recently, we put in that higher close, we've retraced, we put in a lower high, we put in somewhat of a double bottom, we put in, but all these wicks to the top side, there's selling pressure of some kind up there. Okay. Now it doesn't mean it's going to hold because I'm expecting price to rally up, but I can continue to trade this range that we're in right here until I'm proven wrong. Okay. Now if I go back to the 60-minute, if we get a higher close of these levels, right, and I'm trying to trade this range, then I know that I will no longer try to do that, and I will wait for my next trading opportunity. But that's kind of what I'm looking at. That's how I try to get in front of the markets. That's how I trade the stop and reverse trades. So just something to keep an eye on going into this week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already, please follow me on Twitter at Rosella99. Also, you can follow my every move on collective2.com. Go over there and check it out. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. Thanks for watching. And until next time, yeah, just,